I kotai atu ngā kaumātua o te iwi o Ngāti Maru ki te kaitai, me te wawatatai I runga I te kaupapa o puanga.
It's always good to come together, and it's great to come together with the kaumātua. And it's good to come together just to have a meal and a bit of fun, play a few games.
Ready, Ngāti Maru? Hang on, Ngāti Maru. Ready? G, 57.
Reconnect really, because the only other times we do are at hui, and we're always asking them for input, or we're asking them to work on something or give us advice on that. So it's really nice just to have a nice relaxing afternoon, have some kai and spend some time together.
Ko te iwa anganui o te kaitai ko te wakatakoto I ngā wawata me ngā ia o ngā kaumātua mo a tātou tamariki mokopuna.
I'd like to see the vision of Ngāti Maru embedded in the mokopuna through education, through learning about the kaimoana, te reo Māori of course, and discipline, which will lead my mokopuna, our future mokopuna, into the modern world.
We came here today as for our mokopunas, mine especially, because I've got heaps of them. And they need to get to Ngāti Maru to the meeting, but they don't. And I love them to learn Māori, because I don't know Māori. And I hope they enjoy it.
Ko te toi ora te manako nui o ngā kaumātua o te iwi, te ia matua o te tumu wakarai o Ngāti Maru.
My hopes is that they have, they're living comfortable lives, they're happy, they're healthy, they're well. And, that if they feel like they can contribute into the activities of the iwi, then fantastic too. But, I'm just happy that we can spend some time with them.
Ko puanga te kai ko tui I te katoa kia kotai ai ngā wawata o te iwi.
For Ngāti Maru vision to support and keep the ongoing connection, because it'll be lost, and it's good sharing stories from the kaumātua, and with this gathering each year through puanga, we're learning a lot from different whānau and these stories, otherwise it'll be buried and lost.
Ko te manako nui o ngā paake o Ngāti Maru, kia no o aumaru te katoa, o tira kia ruia ko te aroha. Aroha Broadson Pue, Taiuru News.